In this short tutorial, you learn how to use $100 coupon code on the SHEIN app. It's super quick and easy. So let's get started. First of all, open the SHEIN app on your device. Now browse or search for the item you want to buy. Once you find it, select the size, color, and then tap Add to Bag. When you are ready, tap on the shopping bag icon to go to your cart. Now review your order, then tap Checkout. On the checkout page, you will see an option Apply Coupon. Just tap on it. Now choose coupon code from the list of available coupons. And if you have a custom coupon code like $100 coupon code, just tap on Enter code. Then type your code and tap Apply. The discount will be instantly applied to your order total. And that's it. You have successfully used a coupon code on the SHEIN app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.